Hey there, welcome to a journey of unlocking your ultimate study potential. Today, we're diving deep into some powerful techniques that will help you stay focused and motivated throughout your study sessions. Ready to unlock your ultimate study potential? Imagine having the key to a door that opens up to endless possibilities and success in your academic journey. Let's dive into how you can stay focused and motivated all day long. These tips are designed to help you harness your inner drive and keep distractions at bay. Start your morning with a clear intention. As the sun rises, take a moment to stretch and set a positive tone for the day. This simple act can significantly impact your mindset. Picture your goals vividly. See yourself succeeding. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you stay focused on your objectives and remind you of why you're putting in the effort. Now, here's a nifty trick. Use a timer. Setting a timer can help you manage your time effectively and keep you on track. Set it for 25 minutes and dive into your work. This method, known as the Pomodoro Technique, encourages intense focus for short bursts, making it easier to tackle even the most daunting tasks. Then, take a 5-minute break to refresh. Use this time to stretch, take a short walk, or simply relax. These breaks are crucial for maintaining your energy levels and preventing burnout. It's called the Pomodoro Technique, and it's a game changer. By breaking your study time into manageable chunks, you can maintain high levels of productivity without feeling overwhelmed. Now, on to subliminal messages. Simple, powerful affirmations you can whisper to yourself. I am focused. I am motivated. I am unstoppable. These affirmations can rewire your brain for success. Say these affirmations as you study. Feel the transformation. Over time, these positive statements can boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Next, create a distraction-free zone. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, so keep your study area clean and organized. Keep your study space neat and organized. This will help you stay focused and make it easier to find the materials you need. Imagine it as your focus sanctuary, a place where you can immerse yourself in your studies without any distractions. Finally, reward yourself after completing a task. Small rewards can boost your motivation and give you something to look forward to. Small rewards boost your motivation. Whether it's a piece of chocolate, a short break, or a quick chat with a friend, these little incentives can make a big difference. Remember, I believe in you. You have the power to stay motivated and focused. Keep pushing forward. You've got this. You have the power to stay motivated and focused. Keep pushing forward. You've got this. Thanks for tuning in. Your journey to success is just beginning. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal transformation. See you next time. Stay motivated and keep striving for excellence.